So this is how we can turn off the location on your iPad. Let's get started. So the iPad location settings can be found inside of the main settings application. And then from the main selection or the main menu, just go to privacy and security. Then at the top of the list, we have the location services. So you can enable it or disable it. So if you don't want any application to ever access your location, you turn it off right here and you are basically done with the whole location thing. But this is not something which I would recommend you to do. What I think is much better to do is to keep the location services turned on generally for the iPad, but then manage the individual applications listed below. So it is okay for iPad to access where you happen to be, but let's say that I don't want some apps to know my location. Like for example, it makes sense to allow it for maps or weather. But in my opinion, apps like Instagram perhaps do not need it, right? So I can click on this and choose it to be never or ask next time. So yeah, the other options are while using the app and always. So for example, the Google Maps for me would make sense to have it while using the app, right? That's a good option. And whether perhaps I'm going to make it to be like all the time, right? So it kind of depends on what exactly you want to do, right? There are some more options if you click on the system services below where some very specific things might access your location, like, I don't know, the compass or alerts, right? Stuff like that. So you can go ahead and just play with the options below or just turn it off completely. So that's it from me. Let me know if it worked or if you are looking for something else. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up and I'll catch you later.